Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about one of the more important components of the incredible SLS AMG, the steering system. As you can imagine, a car like this requires a precise and responsive steering system to match its impressive power and handling capabilities. In the SLS, the steering system is tuned to deliver a more direct and sporty driving experience with a quicker ratio for improved responsiveness and precision. And when combined with the car's advanced suspension system and powerful engine, the result is a driving experience like no other. Let's take a closer look at how the steering system works in the model. The heart of the system is the rack and pinion, a compact and efficient design that converts the rotational motion of the steering wheel into the linear motion needed to steer the wheels. The pinion itself is driven by a Traxxas servo which has been converted to continuous motion, which essentially consists of removing the blocking pin and the potentiometer. As the tie rods move, they cause the steering arms to rotate, which in turn steer the wheels. This simple yet effective design provides precise and responsive steering, allowing the driver to have complete control over the vehicle. Also, thanks to the Traxxas tie rods, the toe angle adjustment is a piece of cake. The pinion gear is attached to the steering shaft, which is connected to the steering wheel. In almost any car, when you turn the steering wheel, it rotates the pinion gear, which in turn moves the rack back and forth. This movement is reversed in my model, and the servo rotates the steering wheel via the steering shaft. Just watch how tight everything is. Additionally, some reduction gears transfer the rotation to the potentiometer in a more corresponding gear ratio in order to have the correct rack travel distance. Furthermore, the connection between the potentiometer and the circuit board is completed with resistors to remap the endpoints of the steering rack. The steering speed might be a little slow for an RC car because more rotations are needed for the same travel distance, but since I will drive slow, I decided to focus on a more realistic look. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more exciting content. Cheers!